Hey guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna. Today I'm bringing you guys a very special treat. We are going to be making tiramisu. I'm really excited to make this because this is like one of my favorite desserts like ever. And it's very simple to make. Like as far as difficulty level, it's very easy dessert to make. So if you guys like coffee, you like liquor, you like sweet and creamy decadent dessert, this is for you. So let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you assemble all of your ingredients for making the tiramisu because that will definitely make the process that much easier. So I'm going to do a double boiling method, and by doing this, I'm using a large glass bowl which I'm going to place over a smaller saucepan, and I add some water in the saucepan, not enough for the water to touch the bowl because you don't want the water to touch the bowl. You just want the steam coming from the water to trap at the bottom of the glass bowl, and the steam is going to cook the egg yolks. And you're also going to add in your sugar, slowly add in your sugar and whisk the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes. And if you have a hand mixer, it's much easier with a hand mixer, and you want to do that for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you will notice that the consistency of the egg yolks and the sugar will thicken up. They'll become thick, like a custard sort of consistency, and the color will change too. It'll become lighter. After removing your egg yolks and your sugar from the stove, this is what it should look like. It should be thick, creamy type kind of consistency, and the sugar should be completely dissolved, and the color should be like a light yellow. And you're going to take that mixture and mix it with your mascarpone cream, and you want to use your hand mixer and mix the two together until it becomes a creamy and very smooth type of mixture. Now after doing that, I'm going to set that mixture aside, and I'm going to prepare my whipped cream. And I'm going to do that by beating my heavy cream along with my vanilla extract together until it becomes a thick and creamy whipped cream. After preparing my whipped cream, I'm going to fold it into my custard for my tiramisu. I'm not going to use my hand mixer. I'm just going to fold it in using a spatula because I want my mixture to be thick, fluffy, and creamy. And using a hand mixer would deflate some of that whipped cream. So I want my mixture to be really thick, creamy, and fluffy. So I'm just going to gently fold the whipped cream into the custard. After my custard is ready, it should be thick, fluffy, creamy. After it's ready, I'm going to actually move on and actually assemble my tiramisu. And you can use either a cognac or brandy for this dessert. And you're going to mix it with your espresso. And you want to use really strong coffee, really dark, strong coffee for tiramisu. And you're just going to take your coffee, pour it in a bowl large enough that you can dip your lady finger, and then go ahead and mix it with your brandy or your cognac. And you don't want to leave your lady finger in the mixture. You just want to kind of leave it there for 1 second, like basically roll it in a mixture and then place it in the glass bowl or whatever bowl you're using to assemble your tiramisu. The lady finger is super absorbent. Even 1 second in your coffee mixture, it's going to become very soggy. So you just kind of want to pass it through, roll it, get it submerged, and then take it right out. And now that you have your first layer of ladyfingers all prepared, you're going to layer your custard. Depending how thick you like your tiramisu to be, then go ahead and add the right amount of custard. So after I've finished adding my layer of creamy custard, I'm going to add a second layer of dipped ladyfingers. And that's it. My tiramisu is all done. And tiramisu is best after you leave it in the fridge overnight. And this is another little platter of tiramisu I made for my sister. And I'm just showing you guys how I add the cocoa powder. That's not really a good example, but essentially you guys get the gist. Guys, this tiramisu came out so delicious. It was so good. I shared it with people and everybody loved it. I ended up serving it with dinner of shrimp Alfredo, and it was just so perfect. I hope that you guys try it, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please reach out and I will do my best to respond. Until next time, guys, bye.